Just because Mac and Snap-on have lifetime warranties doesn't mean something like Harbor Freight doesn't, Gear Wrench does, Craftsman does. They all have lifetime warranties now, so I don't get that. And then the other comment here, it says I could break 5 of those by the time I break one Snap-on ratchet. Well, you could buy 10 of those ratchets before you buy one Snap-on ratchet. So that's my idea. So why would you could buy 10 of those, have 10 of them sitting there, break all of them, and then go warranty them out before you even touch the price of one Snap-on ratchet. So that's the whole point that I have with this, is that, again, you can own so much more for so much less than Snap-on. You don't have to have Snap-on. You just have Snap-on because you like Gucci, Prada, stuff like that, Louis Vuitton, Coach. You're just buying it because it's a nice brand, not because the tool is any good. Or, I mean, it's good, but it's just not, it's not 10 times better than a Gear Wrench, 10 times better than a Craftsman. It's not. It might be for that Pittsburgh, but it's not for the others. And for the price difference, it doesn't make any sense when you can go buy 10 of these before you even have to buy one Snap-on.